What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel, because today you're about to witness one of the most outrageous, elegant, airy, and unapologetically luxurious machines ever to glide across asphalt. A car that doesn't just drive, it makes an entrance before you even turn the key. Listen closely. Imagine the soft click of that massive chrome door handle, the slow into a world where luxury wasn't subtle. It was bold, dramatic, and larger than life. This isn't just a car, this is rolling art, stretching over 18 feet long, drenched in mirror-like chrome, and finished in a paint job so deep it looks like you could fall in cubic inch. V8 doesn't roar like a modern V9 cubic inch. V8 doesn't roar like a modern sports car. No, it awakens, low, smooth, airy, and commanding, like a giant oaf who owns the road. 300 horsepower of pure American muscle, not built for racing, but built to dominate every street it touches. This is just a classic DeVille. This is a custom-built masterpiece, a car that's been reimagined, very refined. We're talking and elevated into something $60,000. DeVille build can easily command $60,000 to $80,000, sometimes more depending on craftsmanship. And once you see why, that number starts to feel justified. Look at suspension system. This car doesn't just yaw some. It drops gracefully, lowering itself to the performance like theater core nods skull sculpted artisans. Though can when it goes that over those massive custom wheels, perfectly tucked under sculpted English. But before getting started though, if this car's two colors is designed to reflect attention, to demand eyes, to stop conversations mid-sentence, and the paint, not just a color, laid down in layers so flawless that it turns every reflection into art, whether it's deep candy red, midnight black, where turned to Kjammer Stepanesod. This is obsession transformed into a luxury lounge interior. This feet feel like they belong in every source, hand-stitched into a luxury lounge on wheels. Custom seats that feel like they belong in a private, polished, chrome glistening reminds you of you. You're not just driving, you're commanding. Modern touches blend seamlessly into hidden audio systems, delivering crystal clear to question, vicodis subtle, lobby gets soulsful, delivering the soul of the car, but enhance it quietly, respectfully, and then the moment you've been waiting for, you drop the top in a smooth, very almost hypnotic motion. The sunlight, this is what comes part of your cabin. The wind, the sunlight, the sound of that V8 echoing through represent. This is freedom. This is what cars used, but a clean stock experience. Now let's talk money. A clean stock version can cost around $30, with show quality paint, air ride suspension, luxury interior, and massive wheels, easily jumps to $60,000. 80 builds like this often cost more than their selling price, because you're not just buying a car, you're buying passion, time, and pure automotive art on wheels. Cruising down the boulevard in this machine feels different. Phones come out, conversations stop, because this car doesn't blend in. It dominates attention. What tells it Engen? Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Builds like this don't come cheap. The level of craftsmanship required poured to make everything flawless. It adds up fast. Paint alone can cost tens of thousands. Suspension systems, interior work, wheels, engine refinements. You're not just buying, you're buying someone's vision, time, their obsession. And that's why this 1966 Cadillac DeVille Convertible Custom lives in a completely different category. It's not just a statement piece, a symbol of style. It's the power and individuality. This is the kind of car you don't see every day. The kind of car that turns a simple drive into an event, kind of that reminds you why automotive passion exists in the first places, though, whether you're a collector, a builder, different, or just someone who appreciates trust about speed. It's not about technology, it's about presence, emotion, and that unmistakable feeling when you're behind the wheel of something truly special. Because at the end of the day, cars like this aren't just built, they're created, shaped by vision, very fueled by lasting impression, and long after they've driven away. And trust me, once you experience something like this, everything else starts to feel ordinary.